Got to get it right, baby. Right back at it. Little, it's rice time, baby. Little salt, little pepper. Put some black pepper in there. Put a little salt. My kale's already done. Still giving it a little relaxation. Um, so what you do is you're gonna boil the water like like a cup of water. Usually a cup of rice. I'm not rice heavy, so I'm gonna go with half or two, 3/3 of rice into a boiling cup of water, less than that. And then we're gonna put it into the water, put a little bit of butter, put it to the boil, add me rice. Let it boil for like a minute. As always, let it boil for a minute. After that minute has surpassed, we want to then, you know, I like to stir up a little bit. We'll let it boil for like a minute or so, and then you want to cover up and give her like 25 minutes on low, and then she should be good.